What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. My bro Fleck done pulled up on me. So y'all know I got to show him some love, man. He got this new thing. Man, I've been playing, man. I've been wanting to see it for, man, how long it been?
About 2 months.
Yeah, 2 months. I often say been planning on seeing it, man. I ain't got a chance to see it, but I'm finna show it to y'all, man. Got the old cut dog, man. This thing here nice. It's up here nice. Look, I heard him coming down the hill, boy. It sounded good too. Got nice seats in and everything. This car here is solid, boy. The interior. Look at the seat, man. Let me get these seats, man. Get these seats, man. Man, these over here nice, man. This car here solid. It sound good too. On rallies on there. He then, y'all know Fleck, man. He do all his work himself and everything. And look, he said he made the hood now. I done asked him about 3 times. He been over here about an hour or 2. I done asked him about 3 times, man. He really made the hood. It don't look good, man. But he do.
Saying, where you bought it from?
Yeah, he made it, man. He do everything. Y'all see it, man. LS power. Undisclosed cubic inches. Y'all know I'm gonna say that. Undisclosed cubic inches.
So 4.8.
4.8.
4.8.
4.8, that's what it is then. 4.8, y'all. Said he in the midst of cleaning everything up. I know some of y'all, boy, on the internet, y'all just get too serious. Man, everybody, let me tell you something. While I finish showing it, before I finish showing the car, everybody don't wait until their car completely finished. Like, I'm not like that either. Y'all see, I drive mine, ain't painted. Definitely. But it's some people, man, they got to have their car painted. Man, it ain't ready. Like, what you mean it ain't ready? Then it's just sitting up, you ain't enjoying your car. So, I mean, we country boys, man. We don't, hey, while we building it, we gonna drive it too. Yep. We gonna drive it, enjoy it while we building it. So next time y'all see it, shoot.
Gonna be different.
Yeah, it gonna be clean. It gonna be clean up on here. He might have it painted. Like, that's just how we do. Then he still gonna drive it. Then next time he might have some wheels on it. He might have something else different. So, man, LS swap. It run good too, man. Shoot, crank it up right quick, Fleck. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy channel too. It's on the screen, man. Another day with Flex. So this sounds good, boy. That sounds good. What kind of muzzles on it? Super 10. Got no Super 10s on there, boy. That's why it's so loud, I heard. It blew everything out, boy. Clean the driveway. Man, this dope sounds good, man. I'm gonna let y'all see it with the hood down. Let y'all see how it look with the hood down. Oh, it's got it. Alright. Yes, sir, boy. That thing there nasty, man. It sounds so good too, like coming up through here. Let me get that back profile for y'all. Smell good too. What kind of gas you got in this thing? This thing smells good.
I got some cologne in there like you.
Yeah, hey, I knew it, man. It smells too good out here, boy. That blueberry, yeah. I thought that what it was. I said, he got to have some of them. Yeah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, here we go. Moves on y'all. Give y'all that footage. Alright, y'all, checking in. Y'all see I'm back at the house. My boy Flex done took off. Man, that Cutlass move good, man. This thing move good on them hard tires, man. He moving good on them hard tires. Y'all see he went to spinning when he went to it. And all that, man, he got a nice car, man. He got a real nice car for real. That joker there getting down. And probably next time y'all see it, he'll probably have it painted, man. Like I said, you know, it's a work in progress, but I said we country boy. While we work on them, we drive them. That's how you do it. Like, I'm not letting my car sit. Just call and worry about what somebody gonna be like. Oh man, it ain't done or this. I'm like, brother, I'm riding. You can't point at me and say something if you ain't got nothing out here. You still can't point at me if you got something out here, brother. I'm riding. Car game ain't used to be like that, man. Now you have people feel like their car got to be finished. Cause I remember I had when I had the first car meet, man, I had people like, man, I like the car. My car ain't finished. I see pictures of that car, I'm like, they took a painted, got wheels on it. What do you mean? What else got to be done to it? Well, you got to put a mirror on it so you can see. What I mean, but that's how we do, man. We drive them, man. That man having fun in his car. He enjoying it. His car run good. He pulled up on me. He kicked it, chilled. And man, hey, we just had a good time. You know, that's all it is. Cause y'all know how I am, man. I don't invite everybody to my house, man. Everybody ain't coming to my house. But you got to be like that anyway. You got to be like that, period. I always have been like that, man. Everybody ain't coming to my house. If I don't trust you, man, I know you shady, cause I know who. You know who, man, and they don't even be knowing you know who. That's all I'm saying. So you know, you have shady characters and stuff, man. Don't act like you cool, brother. Cause I already, hey, I see through all that. You ain't fooling me. So you know, hey, that's my boy though, man. Fleck. Like I said, he always welcome over here. Y'all done seen him pull up over here plenty of time, man. He done helped me out some stuff too before. So yeah, man, that man car, that joker ride good, man. Believe me, it ride good. I'm ready to see how he continue to progress with it, this and that. So like this vlog really about showing him love and all that. Like that's it. And then y'all seen y'all saw I got the big block took apart. So just put it right there, see. I got the big block took apart. I got the stud sitting right here. I got to put it up. Cause y'all know I did that the same day, man. It was the same day thing. And say I'm gonna give this stuff away. I'm giving it away, man. I already got somebody I'm giving it to. So I just, hey, man. I already got enough parts. I got a lot of parts I'm selling now. I have two Holly Blue fuel pumps if anybody need one. I got a Holly Black fuel pump. Two of those fuel pumps are brand new. One of the Holly Blues is literally brand new, man. It's literally brand new, man. One of the Holly Black is brand new. Y'all know that. So I got two brand new fuel pump, man. So like I said, I had gas through them, but I took them right out. They brand new. I've been had the Holly Blue put up, and I got a Holly Blue that's used. And then I'm going to have, what else? Yeah, I'm gonna have a Holly Blue. I'm gonna have a Holly Black. I mean, cause I ain't took it off. It's on Dolo. But I'm gonna have a Holly Black. I told you I already got one. But right now I got two Holly Blues for sale. One of them brand new. Already off the car and stuff. And one of them I been had. I just was keeping it. Cause I might need to use it. But then I was like, man. But anyway, so I got them for sale, man. I got a Ford Steel 3.875 stroke crankshaft, man. It'll make you a nice 396. I got a Ford Steel fresh out machine shop. Scat lightweight crankshaft. I got that for sale, man. For $600. Go look at the price on it. $600. And go look at the date, how long it take you to get a crankshaft right now. So I got that. I still got the Dominator intake that came off of that old big block I took apart. I got the stud girdles. The head's gone. A lot of the part been getting gone, man. I had a shifter, it gone. I still got 4000 nitrous style converter. I got it for sale. for how much I want for that? How much I said? $450 for that. And that about it, man. I got some more stuff. I got the old cam shell that came out of Cheapskate too. And y'all know it ain't got hardly no miles on it. I still got it. The old cam shell that came out the Cheapskate S10 for sale, man. I sell it for $80. $80. It's a hydraulic flat tappet. I give you the cam specs, whoever get it, $80. I ship all this stuff too. And I'm gonna have a brand new TCI converter. I'm gonna have it for sale for $500. Cause that joker there was a $700 converter. But I sell it for $500, man, for a T8 350 400 Power Glide. It's a 35 to 3800. It depends on your car, your camshaft, and all that. But it's brand new. Like, hey, it ain't even got 50 miles on it. So I got a lot of stuff for sale. I keep it if all else fail, cause I got enough stuff I can put something together. But I got all that for sale, man. But say all in all, good day. Like I said, man, I got this stuff sitting there. I'm gonna load up in the truck sometime today and get it going. Cause like I said, I got somebody I'm gonna give it to. And I don't think the rods and pistons, well, y'all know one of them ate the hell, man. Y'all seen it. But like I said, the rods still gotta be checked for roundness, but that's why I'm giving away. And it's still, I don't think all of them bad. I really don't. I done this stuff enough. I don't think all of them bad. But that's why I'm still giving away, man. I don't even want to fool with. I got enough stuff I'm trying to sell, and I done sold the bulk stuff that I was gonna sell, which really, you know, gonna try to get some of it back. Which, I mean, it was a loss. This right here was a loss, man. But you know, it come with it. It is what it is. Like I said, I hate it, cause the reason I hate this law right here, called my wife, man. Wifey bought that engine for me. You know, she spent that money out of her pocket, which, like one of my bros said, man, he said, you know, Jay, it both y'all money together, but I see what you mean, cause that's your woman and stuff. I said, yeah, you know, that's how we roll too, out whatever I have of hers and vice versa. But you know, it just like she spent her money. There was her cash, like, boom, go get your engine out kind of side heart. So I was like, man, that's why, you know, I always do stuff for wife and stuff, man. It's a loss on both of it, but it's just that she spent her money. But you know, we finna get that going. Hopefully by the end of this month, Meats have oil pressure. By the end of this month, man, and we'll get that going. You know, so and I'll be back on the road, man. Less than 100 days. It ain't been 100 days yet. It ain't even been 90 days, I don't think. It ain't been 90 days since Meats blew up. It ain't even been 90 days, man. I already got the cooking. I got the cooking that week after. I was like, hey, I start skinning down. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm gonna tell you something, man. Cause my little bro Steve Davis posted it the other day, man. He said, you can't have a budget. You can't have a deadline. You can't have a budget. That's right. That's what I said. People get mad when, you know, you get to talking that money stuff. But it like when you want priority and Meats, what I did and am doing with Meats is a perfect example. To make stuff happen as fast as I do, I have to pay like I weigh. Like you have to pay for expedited service. You know, whether it's somebody's labor or whether it's for their part, you have to pay that company. Like I negotiated the company like, hey, I will pay you extra. You got to show these people you serious, man. If somebody tell you they 6 or 8 weeks out, and you want to be like, hey, I need this next week, you got to pay like that, man. And when I get Meats bill done and all that, man, and I reveal everything, I'm gonna go over y'all how you do. But he right, like my little bro Steve Davis said, you can't have a deadline in a budget. You can't have a deadline, then you complaining about the price, man. You got to pay like you weigh. That's just how the car game work. That's how everything work, man. So, yeah, that's it, man, for this vlog, man. Shout out to my boy Flex, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check his channel out. Another Day with Flex. I put it on screen earlier. He got a great running car, man. I love it. So that's it, man. I see y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later, BCG. We out.